Microsoft Word, Chapter 7, Projects 2A and 2B. Project 2A, Changing Cell Margin Measurements. Okay, so you want to open up TSP tables. Please be careful because there's a whole bunch of files on your drive called TSP, so make sure you get TSP tables, and then F12 and 7-TSP tables, okay? All right, step number 2. Change the top and bottom cell margin measurements for all the cells in the table by completing the following steps. 2A, position the insertion point in any cell in the table. Okay, just click in there. And then click Table Tools Layout. 2B, click the Cell Margins button in the Alignment group. Alignment, Cell Margins. Okay. Step C, at the Table Options dialog box, change the top and bottom measurements to 0.05. So top and bottom. And of course you can use a spinner box or you could physically type it in. It both works just fine. And step D, click OK to close the Table Options dialog box. All right, step number 3. Change the top and bottom cell margin measurements for the first row by completing the following steps. Select the first row of cells, the cells containing name and department. Okay. 3B, click the Properties button in the Table group. Okay, so we're going to go up to our Table group and we're going to go to Properties. C, at the Table Properties dialog box, click the Cell tab. Okay, right there, Cell. 3D, click the Options button in the lower right corner. Right there. Okay. 3E, at the Cell Options dialog box, click the Same as the Whole Table checkbox to remove the check mark. Okay, right there. F, change the top and bottom measurement to 0.1. So top and bottom to 0.1. Okay. Step G, click OK to close the Cell Options dialog box. H, click OK to close the Table Properties dialog box. All right, step number 4. Change the left cell margin measurement for specific cells by completing the following steps. 4A, select all the rows in the table except the top row. Just like that, so you get everything except for the top. 4B, click the Cell Size Group dialog box launcher. Okay, so here's cell size, and there's that dialog box launcher right there. 4C, at the Table Properties dialog box, make sure the Cell tab is active. So you want to be on Cell, if not, just click on it. D, click the Options button. E, at the Cell Options dialog box, remove the check marks from the Same as the Whole Table. F, change the left measurement to 0.3. Yep, gonna type that one in. Okay. So, yeah, guess what? They didn't want me to do that, did they? Okay, so what I'm gonna do, this is a really good thing for me to show you. I'm assuming they wanted the left and right the same. They did not. They only wanted the left. So I'm going to hit cancel. Then I'm going to come back. And I'm going to do it again because I didn't know what that measurement was. Okay, and I wanted to leave it that way. So they only want left at 0.3. And then we're just going to go okay, okay. Just like that. All right, you're going to save this, and you're ready to move on to 2B, changing table alignment and dimensions. All right, obviously we still have 7-TSP tables open, and we're going to insert a new column and change text direction by completing the following steps. 1A, click any cell in the first column. B, click the Insert Left button in the Rows and Columns group. Okay, Rows and Columns. Insert left. C, With the cells in the new column selected, click the Merge Cells button in the Merge group. Okay, here's your Merge group. Here's Merge Cells. Type Tri-State Products. (1E). Click the Align Center button in the Alignment group. Right there. F. Click 2 times on the Text Direction button in the Alignment group. Okay. With Tri-State Products selected, click the Home tab and then increase the font size to 16 points. Okay. Step 2. Automatically fit the contents by completing the following steps. Click in any cell in the table. B. Click the Table Tools Layout tab. C. Click the Auto Fit button in the cell group and then click Auto Fit Content. Okay, so we're going to go to our cell group and we're going to Auto Fit. Excuse me, I need to get a quick drink. Okay, so I'm still clicking here, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to go right up here to Auto Fit, and I want to Auto Fit Contents, which is a handy dandy way of having the computer do all that work for you, which is nice. Step number 3. Change the table width and alignment by completing the following steps. 3A. Click the Properties button in the Table group on the Table Tools Layout tab. All right, so on our Table Tools Layout tab, and we want our properties, correct? All right, 3B. At the Table Properties dialog box, click the Table tab. It's that first tab right there. 3C. Click the Preferred Width checkbox to insert a check mark right here. D. Select the measurement in the measurement box and type in 4.5. Oops. Oh, 40.5, that's nice. 4.5. E. Click the Center option in the Alignment section. Alignment and Center, and then click OK. All right, there you go. Step 4. Select the 2 cells containing the name and department. Okay, so we want to select the 2 cells with name and department. And then click the Align Center button in the Alignment group. All right, save this and you're ready to move on to your next video.